Hi and welcome back to our channel. We have a brand new printable on our website that we would like to share with you today. So this card prints on a standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper size, and you'll get the best results if your printer is set to borderless printing. So all you have to do is fold it in half and then fold it in half again. The inside is a word search, and now you can highlight words that are meaningful to you, or you can make a complete sentence, whatever you like. And I'm just going to pick out a sentence here. And this is ready to give just like this, but I like to add on a few extra touches. So I'm going to put on some sparkle with some sparkle polish that I had on hand. And you can just use whatever you have and just make it as simple or embellish it like crazy, whatever you like. And that's just so cute. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.